morning to all of you. Myself Dinesh Kumar from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. Today I am going to discuss about restaurant server. Basically, a restaurant server is responsible to serve the food in the restaurant. They have served the food order or solid food from left hand side, and the beverage food is served from right hand side, and basically the table service we are found in the restaurant. Now let us we start. Restaurant servers. As a restaurant server, you are responsible for preparing for service, greeting guests according to the time, and taking the order, serving the order, creating a friendly atmosphere where guests can enjoy themselves, closely monitoring guest alcohol consumption, completing service, helping crockerage as needed, core structure, whole employee knowledge, position specific knowledge and restaurant service. Third one, a job breakdown, restaurant service. Whole employee knowledge, learning objectives. Understand, identify, understand list, and identify, explain, define, and differentiate. If you talk about the understand property standards for personal appearance. Identify identify property standards and policy regarding uniform. Understand your property social media policy. List employee policy that affect you. List your property fact sheet information. List property policies regarding parking, pets and guest reservation. Identify airport and local transportations. Explain the purpose of the manager on duty. Define guidelines for the property facilities. Differentiate between routine and urgent maintenance and describe the purpose of each. Discuss property lost and found procedure. Explain property recycling program and procedure. Explain your role in the property security. Understand procedure to follow in case of emergency. Identify procedures and safety equipment that protects against bloodborne pathogens. So thank you to all of you. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt or query, please text me at dis@rpiit.com.